Hi beauty fam! So we're back with another exciting video. This has been long anticipated. I know they had like shipping issues. It is this month's Kiss Me. We're in May. And this month we have the Magical Day. Now with the Magical Day, it looks like leave a little sparkle wherever you go. So this month we actually got lip glosses, which is new for Kiss Me and Liveglam. We have the Unicorn Wishes. We have the Magical Kiss and the Celebration. Celebration. That's clever. It says, this month we're taking you to our enchanted glam land. With these magical lippies, not only are you going to get 3 stunning sparkle glosses, but you're also they come in rare unicorn cases. Wear these shades alone or on the top of Kiss Me lippies and shine a light on them to see them really come to life. After you try these magical lippies, don't forget to tag us on Instagram and use our hashtag Liveglam so we can see your stunning looks. This is beautiful, and I know that they had a little bit delay in the shipping for these, but I'm so glad we finally got them today. So let's get into these and take a look. I love the lavender. I love the lavender look that they have going on. I'm gonna have a little confession here. I did actually already try one of these. I'm so sorry, but they were so cute. And the one I actually am wearing right now on my lips is the Celebration, and this is what it looks like up close. Oh my word, it is so incredibly pretty. Now guys, this does retail for $19.99 a month. Sorry, I was playing with other stuff and I'm all swatched up already. They do retail for $19.99 a month. $3.19 divided by 3 is actually roughly right around $6.30, give or take. So it's really not that bad when you break it down. Let me see. Let's get a good swatch of that one. So we have a swatch of Celebration. And then the next one that we have, I already like overzealous and opened it up. Here's this one, and this one is the Magical Kiss. The net weight on these two are 2.8 milliliters. So Magical Kiss, that's what it looks like up close. Okay. That's what it looks like swatched. She's right there. She's kind of clear almost. Okay, and then we also have the Unicorn Wishes. It's a blue one right there. There they all are swatched there. So you get quite a lot of product there and really cute packaging. And it's the first time that we actually got lip glosses instead of liquid lipsticks. Like I said before, I do have the Celebration on my lips, but we're going to go ahead and just re-intensify that because it's been on there for a while. Just so you can see it in its full glory. And that's what that one looks like swatched on the lips. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the Celebration. Let's try the Magical Kiss. And a little bit does go a long way. I don't even have to re-dip into the vase. And it is a clear lippy. That is so gorgeous. It's super hydrating. Because it also has a lot of shimmer in it. It does. Oh, look at that sparkle. That is so gorgeous. Let's go ahead and remove. And then these ones, the last one is Unicorn Wishes. Okay, so she does also go on clear as well. So the other one had a little bit of a gold tint to it now that I'm comparing it to this one, where this one is just very clear. These smelly cupcakes. So good. Now I want a cupcake. No. Bad cupcake. So that is this month's Liveglam Kiss Me, the Magical Unicorn. What are they? Lip glosses? Yeah, Magical Unicorn lip glosses. My personal favorite though is the Celebration, of course, but the other ones are just really beautiful clear lip glosses. They are super moisturizing, super shimmery, and they also do have a lot of sparkle to them. You get a lot of product inside of each of the little bottles. Okay guys, that will wrap us up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, we do have that giveaway starting soon, so if you are not subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and share, and remember, beauty fam, we are now on Instagram, so make sure that you are following us there. The information and our Instagram handle is down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, stay beautiful.